I'm Taylor Basso from Sun Country Marine, and I am thrilled to finally be able to welcome you on board the Prestige Yachts M48, our very first multi-hull yacht and a true revolution in motor yacht design. Let's check it out.
At 48 feet in length and boasting an impressive 18-foot beam, the M48's multi-hull design creates exceptional volume throughout. That wider beam means more stability, more comfort, and a dramatic increase in livable space, both indoors and out. Step aboard and discover a layout that feels more like a luxury villa than a typical motor yacht. With expansive entertaining zones throughout, from the massive aft cockpit to the forward lounge and bow sun pads, to the truly remarkable flybridge, the M48 invites you to relax, coast, and enjoy every moment at sea. At the stern, a hydraulic swim platform adds even more versatility. It submerges to easily launch a tender or enjoy a swim, and raises to create an above-water terrace perfect for lounging inches from the sea. Inside, the open-plan salon is flooded with natural light and surrounded by panoramic windows, offering a seamless connection between the sea and your interior living space. Below deck, you'll find a forward, full-beam master suite that rivals much larger yachts. The thoughtful design includes dual baths, a rare and luxurious feature at this size range, providing both comfort and privacy for extended cruising. She's powered by twin Volvo D4 320 horsepower engines, offering smooth and efficient cruising with joystick control for effortless maneuvering in tight quarters. Beyond the design and performance, we've taken care of the practical details too, including pre-negotiated slip opportunities for this wider vessel at premier marinas in San Diego, Newport Beach, and Marina Del Rey. Whether you're island hopping for the weekend or setting off on longer coastal adventures, the Prestige M48 is a multi-hull like no other, delivering space, style, and sophistication in one stunning package under 50 feet at an insanely competitive price point. I can guarantee you will not find a new boat in this size range that is this generous in space on the market. Contact us today to schedule your private showing and experience the M48 for yourself.